Hello students, today I will discuss about refraction, part 1. Definition: refraction is a process of bending of light when passing from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Types: you see here, refraction takes place from rarer to denser medium. So I is more, R is less. This is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray. So here I is more and R is less, and the refracted ray is bending towards the normal. This is the normal. Now when the light ray passes from denser to rarer media, then what happens? Then it moves away from the normal. Refracted ray moves away from the normal. This is the original direction, but it is moving away from the normal. So I is less and R is more. So in the first case, when it is passing from rarer to denser medium, then delta, that is the angle of deviation, is I minus R. But when it is moving from denser to rarer medium, when it is moving from rarer to denser medium, it is I greater than R, and delta is equal to I minus R. And when it is passing from denser to rarer media, then delta is equal to R minus I. That is, I is less than R. Laws of refraction: the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal drawn at the point of incidence, this is the point of incidence, lie at the same plane. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal drawn at the point of incidence lie at the same plane. Second law: the sign of angle of incidence and the sign of angle of refraction bears a constant ratio for a definite pair of media and for a definite color of light. This condition is also important. Therefore, sin I by sin R is equal to mu. This is a constant, and this is known as refractive index. The second law of refraction, that is this one. The second law of refraction is called Snell's law. Now, mu, this is not simply the mu. This is actually mu2 with respect to mu1. Mu21 means mu2 with respect to mu1. So mu2, what is the meaning of it? Mu2 with respect to mu1 indicates the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the refractive index of the first medium. Mu21 is equal to mu2 by mu1. Relation between, next topic, relation between mu21 and mu12. Mu21 I am writing at first. Mu2 by mu1 is equal to 1 by mu1 by mu2 is equal to, means this thing I have taken down. So it is 1 by mu1 by mu2. And this thing is now mu12. So we can write mu2 with respect to 1 is equal to 1 divided by mu1 with respect to 2. Next topic. Relation between the speed of light and the refractive index of the medium. The refractive index mu varies inversely with speed of light, c, where c is the speed of light in that medium. So we can write mu2 by mu1 is equal to c1 by c2. So that is the relation. One question I have given: the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index of glass with respect to the air. So here we can write mu2 by mu1 is equal to c1 by c2. And 2 stands for glass, 1 stands for air. So mu2 is mu now, and we know that mu1, that is refractive index of air, is 1. So mu1 by 1 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in air. And c2, that is the speed of light in glass, 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Meters per second, meter per second cancelled, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8 cancelled, 3 by 2, that is mu is equal to 1.5. So this is the first part of refraction. Hope that you have understood. Try to subscribe my channel and give like wherever is possible. Thank you.